back to Festive Forever. I hope you all are doing great. I'm not sure if you know that I'm a Maharashtrian, and it goes without saying that I love Maharashtrian food, which makes it very obvious that today we are gonna try some crazy and delicious Maharashtrian food. So without any delay, let's get started. If we are eating Maharashtrian food, then two things we cannot afford to miss. One, misal pav, and second, vada pav. So you're guessing it right. Right over here we have our misal pav and vada pav. Actually it's misal vada pav. Sometimes people like to eat vada with misal, so I have kinda called both the things together. This misal pav is from Vidarbha Vada Pav. So here we have the vada and here we have our misal. I'm gonna serve myself. Misal is incomplete without farsan. So let's go ahead and add some farsan to it. It's kind of give, that crunchy taste. Wow. I'm enjoying it so much. It's just spicy, that spicy, little tangy, and that crunchy taste from farsan. Then onion ka taste hai. If you squeeze lemon, then it will give you a little sour taste. Altogether, I really loved it. The basic things that you have to remember if you ever get a chance to have misal, that it has to be spicy. You have to add farsan to it. Onions are very important. Then squeeze some lemon. Though this dish is literally spicy, but ये ऐसा spicy है that you're definitely going to enjoy it and you're gonna love it. We also have here this vada. Generally vada पाव के साथ खाया जाता है और उसमें बहुत सारी चटनी होती है. But I'm just gonna taste this vada. The size is quite big. बहुत ही बड़ा vada है. Vada is basically made from potatoes and some flour. इसमें थोड़े green chilies होते हैं. Then you also have some mustard seeds. So बहुत ही beautiful सा taste होता है. इसकी जो फ्लावर की कोटिंग है, it's little thick. The coating is quite thick, you can see that. And then potato has mustard seeds, some jeera, some curry leaves. So the filling is really good. This entire thing was for ₹80. Like you get the misal, you get the vada, you get the farsan, and I had also called for one extra pav. So 3 pav, 1 vada and 1 misal for ₹80 is quite good and reasonable, I feel. So I'm gonna definitely give this place a thumbs up. Next thing that we have over here is from Nav Chaitanya. I'll just keep this aside. इसमें actually बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. There are a couple of things that I have ordered. So from Nav Chaitanya, I have called for two things. One is besan pitla meal and the second one is bombil fry. This entire thing was for ₹370. Actually, it was somewhere around 470, but then I got ₹100 off and the entire thing costed me for $370. There are a couple of things right over here. We are just gonna have a quick glance. Let's quickly open everything. So here we have some bombil fry. This is pitla, this is sol curry, and this one I'm guessing potato sabzi or something, and this is bhakri, some onions. So बहुत कुछ है हमारे पास. Looks absolutely delicious. I love bombil fry. Then here we have some bhakri. Bhakri is basically made from different flours. This one is made from rice, and this is pitla. Pitla is made from besan. Now let's go ahead and taste this. वाव, लग तो बहुत सुंदर रहा है. You can literally taste besan and coconut. बहुत ही बढ़िया फ्लेवर है. इनफैक्ट onions are also quite dominating. Onions का भी बहुत सारा टेस्ट है. Now let's try the bombil fry. Quite tasty. These slices are really thin and they have a really thin coating of rava. बहुत ही basic flavors है. Like I can taste definitely red chili powder. They have kept their spices really mild, which makes it even more evident to taste the fish. When you are having the fish, it's very important कि जो fish के flavors है that you are able to taste, and that's what they have done with the dish. And yeah, I loved it. Okay, I also want to taste the soul curry. Soul curry is, really basic. If you're calling from a Maharashtrian restaurant, they cannot go wrong with soul curry. It's made from coconut milk, then a lot of kokum juice goes in it, which makes it really, really tangy. It's good for health also. If you're calling for some Maharashtrian food, then you cannot skip on this one. Not at all. There's some sabzi also, which I'm not really able to guess, but this is how it looks. I'm considering that it's potato. It's not potato. This is suran, and महाराष्ट्रन लोगों में ये काफ़ी बनता है. इसमें बहुत सारा coconut and chili powder होता है, which gives a really good taste to this sabzi. This sabzi is, I think, called elephant foot, I guess. So yeah, it's good. If you're a true Maharashtrian, I'm pretty sure कि कोंबड़ी वड़े तो सबने खाया ही होगा. This one is from Malhar tribes and this was for ₹211. Here we have 2 vadas, कोंबड़ी यानी कि chicken curry and some kakdi, खमंग kakdi. I think that means they have grated the kakdi or something. This is a compact meal, बड़ा छोटा सा meal है but cute सा है. For ₹211, it's okay quantity. बहुत ही delicious तो लग रहा है. Like bright red chicken curry and some vadas. There are 2-3 pieces of chicken and these are vadas. वड़ा का special flour आता है जिससे वड़े बनते हैं. I'm just gonna dip this into this curry. Look how beautiful it's looking. Bright red color, silky texture. This is basically a coconut based curry with Malwani masala. Malwani masala is generally not spicy, but it has a lot of spices. So this is kind of special masala that we generally have. Coconut के साथ mix करके then they have prepared it. Chicken is of course with bone. Their texture is really smooth. And here we have some cucumber, kakdi, something, I don't know. Let's see. Wow, I never tasted something like this earlier. It's like a coconut and cucumber chutney with राई का तड़का, and I think थोड़ा सा tamarind का भी flavor है. I like this compact meal where you get this coconut based chicken curry and some vadas and some cucumber coconut chutney. Loved it. So the next dish that we have over here is a chicken thali. This is Kolhapuri special chicken thali. Actually, you'll get to see in like almost every Maharashtrian restaurant that they have chicken thali, mutton thali and fish thali, different kinds of thali. So I could not complete my vlog without ordering one thali. So I chose this Kolhapuri chicken thali. There are literally so many varieties of food item. This one I have called from Lai Bhari Kolhapuri. It was for 393, but then इतने सारे food item है, the price is kinda justified. Here we have red chicken, green chicken, अंडा करी, तांबड़ा रस्सा, पांढरा रस्सा, pulav and bhakri. Now let's just serve it. This is, I think, jawar bhakri. Okay. Wow, the food looks delicious, no? Let's taste the green one. So the green chicken is made from green masala. It's little spicy. Green masala मतलब जो coriander, अदरक, लहसुन का मसाला होता है, that masala. The red chicken is again coconut based chicken. इसमें थोड़ा चिली का टेस्ट है, like green chili का भी टेस्ट है, and थोड़ा सा you can also taste red chili. So the combination is good. In red chicken they have used bone wala chicken, and in green chicken they have used boneless chicken. Egg curry is like a side thing. It's not really like the main part of the main dish. They have given very less quantity of egg with one like half a egg, तो उसका but उसका flavor बहुत ही अच्छा है. Like both the curries are pretty similar, the red chicken curry and the egg curry. It has similar taste, like coconut based red chili powder and little bit of green chili. So yeah, their taste is quite good. And now I'm gonna taste the pulao. The pulao mein there are a couple of options, like you get the plain rice and then you get the pulao. Pulao is really basic, like जीरा and coriander के साथ बनाया है, बहुत ही basic taste है उसका, but when you have it with chicken, it kind of enhances the taste. I feel that the idea behind making basic pulao so that when you have it with chicken, it does not overpower the taste of chicken, and you can moderately taste both the things, like you can taste the chicken curry and you can taste the rice. So here we also have two kind of rassas. In Kolhapur, these two rassas are quite famous. If you ever visit Kolhapur or you have ever visited, you will know that they have this thing called Pandra Rasa and Lal Rasa. Basically white and red curry rasa. I think rasa is curry. So these two curries are like there, and you can take any amount, like you can just keep on calling and have kitna bhi you want. So that's the thing in Kolhapur, and you can have that with rice or just like that. Some people just like to enjoy rasa. So here we are gonna try. And the red rasa means the tamda rasa is little spicier than white rasa. So now we are gonna go ahead and try it. I'm just gonna drink because generally I like to drink. You can also enjoy this with rice, but wow. Apparently tamda rasa is not really spicy. Both of them are tasting really good. Like it just reminded me one of my visit to Kolhapur. When I had been there, I had the similar thing, and it's exactly tasting like that. Tamda rasa and tamda rasa, which is basically white and red gravy, it's made from mutton, but then they serve it without mutton pieces. So this is kind of like a broth but with lot of masalas. Here you won't get the mutton pieces, but only really patla gravy, you can say, like जैसे paya soup होता है, but then of course there is paya in it. So this whole thing was absolutely worth it. The quantity of all the chicken gravy and tamda rasa, panda rasa, all things actually is quite good. And here they give 2 bhakri, which is sufficient for one person. In fact, I don't know, if you don't have much appetite, even 2 people can enjoy it, like just one dish. If you don't have like crazy appetite, if you have, then of course you cannot, but if you don't, then I think this would do. Last thing that we have over here is from Nav Chaitanya. So this is kharvas and this was for rupees 110. Maharashtrian people love kharvas. Kharvas के बिना हमारा नहीं चलता. People who don't know what is kharvas is basically made from cow or buffalo milk, but it's their first milk after giving birth or within a week or something. From that milk only you can make kharvas. So let's get a closer look. I love kharvas a lot and मेरे घर पे तो ये 1000 बार बनता ही रहता है. If you guys want me to make that recipe, do leave it in the comment section below. I will definitely make it because it's like everyday thing. So yeah, now let's get a closer look. Can you see this beauty? Oh my god, it looks so delicious. Water is dripping from it and this is really soft. It's like, it's just so soft, like some soft bed. You know how custard is, right? It's something like that, but the texture is really soft. Wow. Let's eat it. Oh. Wow. गुड़ का बहुत ही अच्छा फ्लेवर है. लाइक यू कैन टेस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ जैगरी. इसमें शुगर नहीं जाता है, मोस्टली इट्स मेड विद जैगरी मिल्क एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स, बट बहुत ही बढ़िया फ्लेवर है. आई लव्ड इट. दे गॉट द परफेक्ट टेक्सचर, फ्लेवर, एवरीथिंग वाज superb. I guess now Nav Chaitanya is my new favorite restaurant for Maharashtrian food. Now I'm gonna rate my experience on my festive meter. I actually want to give kudos to all the restaurants. I did not expect all of them to do so well. Sometimes I believe that even if the restaurant is serving Maharashtrian food, they actually kind of make it so fancy that it's authenticity. If you're calling for Maharashtrian food from a Maharashtrian restaurant, then they have to maintain the basic of like how the Maharashtrian food is supposed to be. You cannot just mix and match and call that dish a Maharashtrian dish. So all the restaurants have managed to maintain that and I loved that about it. Thing was disappointing. I really loved how they have actually stick to the basics and serve delicious food at really good prices. So I'm really happy and satisfied with my experience. So I'm gonna rate this experience 9.7 out of 10 on my festive meter. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you loved my vlog and if you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestion, then please leave it in the comment section below. I will definitely consider, and if you want any help regarding anything, just leave it in the comment section below. I will definitely get back to you. Thank you so much for watching my vlog and I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye.